Namaste to all students. Myself Javian Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss here about Wobble hypothesis and what is Wobble hypothesis and basically what is new genetic code. So Wobble hypothesis, Crick's in 1996 proposed the Wobble hypothesis to explain the degeneracy of the genetic code, except for tryptophan and methionine. More than one codons directs the synthesis of one amino acid. There are 61 codons that synthesize amino acids, and therefore there must be 61 tRNA, each having different anticodons, but the total number of tRNA is less than 61. This may be explained that the anticodons of the some tRNA read more than one codon. In addition, identity of the third codon seems to be unimportant. For example, CGU, CGC, CGA, and CGG all code for the arginine. It appears that CG specify arginine and the third letter is not important. Conventionally, the codons are written from 5' end to 3' end. Therefore, the first and second base specify amino acids in some cases. According to the Vogel hypothesis, only the first and second base of the triple codon in the direction of 5 to 3 messenger RNA pair with a base of the anticodon of tRNA, that is A with U and G with C. The pairing of the third base varies according to the base at this position. For example, G may pair with C, the conventional pairing A with U on GC, and is known as the Watson-Crick pairing, and the second abnormal pairing is called Vogel pairing. This was observed by the discovery of that the anticodon of yeast alanine tRNA contains the nucleoside inosine in the first position, which is 5' to 3' that paired with the third base of the codon in the direction of 5' to 3'. Inosine was also found at the first position in other RNA, which is isoleucine and serine. The purine inosine is a Wobble nucleotide and is similar to guanine, which normally pairs with A, U, G, and C. Here you can simply see the difference. For example, a glycine tRNA with anticodon TCC will glycine codons GGU, GGA, and GGG. The U at the Wobble position will be able to pair with an adenine or a guanine. Due to the Wobble base pairing, one tRNA become able to recognize more than one codons for an individual amino acid. By direct sequence of several tRNA molecules, the Wobble hypothesis is confirmed, which explains the pattern of redundancy in genetic code in some anticodons. Generally, Watson-Crick pairing occurs between AGC and GCU. However, in AGU and GCU pairing, hydrogen bonds are formed between G and U. Such abnormal pairing called Wobble pairing. Three types of Wobble pairing have been proposed. In the first, U in the Wobble position of the tRNA anticodon pair with A or G of the codon. G pairs with U or C. I pairs with the A, U, and C. Now come to the new genetic code. So new genetic code in the mitochondria. So earlier we described that the genetic code is universal. It was also believed that the genetic code does not undergo any kind of a evolution and therefore should be static. However, during the last few years, it has been shown that variations in genetic code are found in the mitochondria, particularly studied in yeast and mammals. In the case of yeast mitochondria, UGA code for tryptophan, although in nuclear gene, UGA is a termination codon. Similar, the codons beginning with CU represent the instead of leucine, and AUA codon represent the methionine instead of alanine. It has also been shown that although a new genetic code may exist in mitochondria, but mitochondria in all programs may not have the same genetic code. For instance, UGA in mitochondria does not always code for tryptophan in the gene coding for maize cytochrome oxidase subunit second. UGA codon is not present and tryptophan is coded by codon CGG codes for methionine in mitochondria of mammals, Xenopus, yeast and Drosophila, but not in Neurospora and Aspergillus. It also has been shown in that in mitochondria a number of single tRNA species with U in the vowel position read all four codons in a family. It is also shown that there are only 22 tRNA in mitochondria as against 5s tRNA in universal code, and these are adequate for reading 60 codons, the remaining 4 being termination codons. Second is genetic codes in ciliate protozoa. So in 1986, a different genetic code was shown to be present in ciliate protozoa. In this genetic codon, UAA and UAG specify glutamine instead of stop signals. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidya Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.